Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Palace. Today I am going to make chicken masala. Chicken masala is one of the basic chicken curry recipe from Indian cuisine that tastes delicious, flavorful and hot and spicy. So why late? Let's start the process. Let's marinate chicken first, taking 500 grams of chicken, salt as per taste, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of cumin powder, quarter spoon of pepper powder, quarter spoon of chicken masala, 3 spoons of curd, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now cover it and rest it for 1 hour. Let's prepare masala. Take a jar, add 1 large onion, add 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 1 star anise, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves, 1 spoon of poppy seeds, small piece of cinnamon, 2 red chili. Blend it. Now take a pan, add 6 spoons of oil, half spoon of cumin seeds, 1 large slightly chopped onion, saute it, add salt as per your taste, now add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Roast it until the raw flavor goes out. Now add our masala paste. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree, half spoon of turmeric and half spoon of red chili powder. Mix it. Now cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Again mix it. Now add half cup of cashew and coconut paste. Again cover and cook for 2 minutes. Here the oil separates from masala. Again mix it. Now add marinated chicken pieces. Mix it. Now cover it and cook about half an hour in low flame. Keep mixing in between. Again cover for few minutes more. Now our chicken masala is ready to serve. If you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Kitchen Palace for more updates. Thank you.